Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Healthy Life channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects so many of us, our metabolism. You hear the word all the time, but what does it really mean when your metabolism isn't working as it should? It's not just about weight. Your metabolism is the engine of your body, responsible for converting food into energy. When that engine starts to sputter, it can send signals throughout your entire system. So, if you've ever felt like your body is working against you, this video is for you. We're going to uncover 7 clear signs that your metabolism might need a little help, and we'll explore the science behind why this happens. Let's start with the most common sign, and the one that often sends people searching for answers: unexplained weight gain. You're eating the same foods, sticking to your usual routine, but the number on the scale keeps creeping up. It's incredibly frustrating, and it can feel like you're losing control. This often points to a slowing metabolic rate. When your body's energy-burning process becomes less efficient, it starts storing more of the calories you consume as fat, even if your diet hasn't changed. A study published in the journal Obesity found that individuals with a slower than average resting metabolic rate were significantly more likely to gain weight over time. It's not about a lack of willpower. It's a biological signal that your body's energy balance is off. Now, on the flip side of that is sign number 2, frequent weight fluctuations. One week you're down a few pounds. The next you're right back where you started, or even higher. This yo-yo effect can be a sign of metabolic dysregulation. Your body is struggling to maintain homeostasis, or a stable internal environment. This can be caused by inconsistent energy intake, but it can also be a sign of underlying issues, like fluctuating hormone levels, which directly command your metabolic processes. When your body can't predict its energy supply, you can go into a state of panic, sometimes holding onto fat as a survival mechanism, and then releasing it when it feels safe, creating this frustrating cycle. Sign number 3 is something many of us brush off as just being busy: constant fatigue. We're not talking about feeling a little tired after a long day. This is a bone-deep exhaustion that follows you around, even after a full night's sleep. Remember, your metabolism's job is to create energy. If it's not functioning efficiently, your body's cells aren't getting the fuel they need to perform their daily tasks. This results in low energy levels, brain fog, and a general feeling of sluggishness. Your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside your cells, might be underperforming. Think of it like trying to run a high-performance car on low-grade fuel. It's just not going to have the power to get you where you need to go. This leads us right into sign number 4, intense cravings for sugar and high-calorie foods. When your cells are starved for energy, they send out urgent signals to your brain saying, "I need fuel, now." And what's the quickest source of fuel? Sugar. Your body isn't trying to sabotage your diet. It's desperately seeking a fast energy source to compensate for its inefficient metabolic process. This can create a vicious cycle. You eat something sugary, your blood sugar spikes, then crashes, leaving you feeling even more tired and triggering more cravings. It's a biological drive for quick energy, signaling that your body is struggling with sustained energy production. Sign number 5 is the struggle to lose weight. Even when you're doing everything right, you're diligently counting calories, hitting the gym, and choosing healthy foods, but your progress has stalled or is painfully slow. This is a classic sign of a condition known as metabolic adaptation or adaptive thermogenesis. As you lose weight, your body can sometimes slow down its metabolism to conserve energy, making further weight loss much harder. It's an ancient survival mechanism designed to protect you from starvation. Research shows that after weight loss, resting metabolic rate can decrease by more than what would be expected from the change in body mass alone. This metabolic slowdown can persist long-term, which is why maintaining weight loss can be so challenging for many people. Let's move on to the gut. Sign number 6 is unexplained digestive issues. Things like frequent bloating, constipation, or general discomfort can be linked to your metabolism. Your digestive system requires a significant amount of energy to break down food, absorb nutrients, and move waste along. When your metabolism is slow, this whole process can become sluggish. This can lead to food sitting in your gut for longer, causing fermentation, gas, and bloating. A healthy gut microbiome is also crucial for metabolic health. An imbalance in your gut bacteria can interfere with how your body processes food and regulates energy, further linking your digestive wellness to your overall metabolic function. Finally, sign number 7, changes in skin health and body temperature. Have you noticed your skin becoming unusually dry, or are you breaking out more than usual? Your skin cells have a high turnover rate, meaning they need a lot of energy for regeneration and repair. A slow metabolism can impair this process, leading to dryness, dullness, or acne. Similarly, are you always cold when others are comfortable, or do you feel hot all the time? Your metabolism generates heat as it burns calories, a process called thermogenesis. A sluggish metabolism produces less heat, which can leave you feeling constantly chilled. Conversely, hormonal imbalances linked to metabolic issues, like thyroid problems, can sometimes make you feel overheated. Your body's internal thermostat is directly connected to its metabolic engine. So, what's a major factor that ties many of these signs together? Stress. Chronic stress is a metabolic disruptor. When you're constantly stressed, your body pumps out the hormone cortisol. Initially, cortisol is helpful, but chronically high levels can wreak havoc. It increases your appetite, particularly for high-fat, sugary foods, and tells your body to store fat, especially around your abdomen. This visceral fat is metabolically active and dangerous, increasing the risk of various health issues. Stress also impacts sleep quality. And we know that poor sleep further disrupts metabolic hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which regulate hunger and fullness. It's a complex web, but understanding these connections is the first step toward taking back control. One powerful tool for combating the effects of stress on your metabolism is mindfulness. Practices like meditation and deep breathing have been scientifically shown to reduce cortisol levels. A study in the Journal of Obesity found that mindfulness-based stress reduction programs helped individuals reduce stress and improve their eating behaviors. By becoming more aware of your body's cues, you can better manage stress, make more conscious food choices, and support your metabolic health from the inside out. It's important to remember that, if you're experiencing several of these signs, it's a good idea to chat with a healthcare professional. They can help you rule out any underlying conditions, like thyroid issues or hormonal imbalances, and guide you toward the right path. Improving your metabolism isn't about a quick fix or a magic pill. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that supports your body's natural processes. This includes eating a balanced diet rich in protein and fiber, engaging in regular physical activity that includes both cardio and strength training to build calorie-burning muscle, prioritizing quality sleep, and, as we discussed, managing your stress levels. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this information empowers you to listen to your body and understand the signals it's sending. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do you forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. I'd love hearing from you. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.